Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw hidden lines in Photoshop. First thing you want to do is bring in an image that you want to work on. I'm just bringing in a stock image that I have here. First thing I'm going to do is Control J just to duplicate the original file so we don't mess it up. Next step that we're going to do is actually add a new layer. We're going to go over to the Shapes tool, go down to the Line tool, and the weight you want to have 1 pixel, and that's going to be your line. And now with all these shapes you can draw whatever you want, draw as many lines as you want, and these are going to be your hidden lines. So if you need to use lines for like rulers or whatever you need to, you have them there. And then to hide them, you want to highlight all of your lines, go up to the drop down menu, create a new group from layers. We'll call this hidden lines. Press OK. And then just to hide them, you want to unclick the eye. Put them back on, you can bring them back. That's pretty much it. The last thing you want to do is go to File, Save As, and rename your document. I'm Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions, and thank you for watching.